All right, in this video, we want to solve these linear trig equations and we want to get all our solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So let's start with this first question over here. To solve a linear trig equation, if the trig equation is isolated, so cos is isolated over here, we're just going to solve using our cast rule. So we need to find out which quadrant cos is negative because we have a negative ratio here. So I know cos is positive in A and C. A stands for all are positive. C stands for cos is positive. So cos is positive in A and C, which means cos is negative in S and T, the opposite two quadrants. I'm going to draw my principal angles out there. So the next thing we need to do is we need to find these tiny acute angles over here. To find them, you just have to do the cos inverse of 1 over root 2 if you're doing it in your calculator. You can also use special triangles, but I'm just going to do these in the calculator. And do not put the negative in. Just do the cos inverse. So theta equals cos inverse, actually not theta, sorry, beta, because we're finding the acute angle, 1 over root 2. You're going to put this in your calculator, and in my case, it gives me the acute angle as pi over 4. So now I need my two solutions. My first solution is from here till this line over here. I need to find this angle over here. So to find this angle, I know that half a circle is pi. So my first solution for theta is pi, and then I'm going back a bit. So pi minus pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4. My second solution is from here all the way till this line over here. So that's going to be pi. So pi is still this line here, and then I'm adding a little bit more, so plus pi over 4, which is just 5 pi over 4. So two solutions in this question between 0 and 2 pi, 3 pi over 4, and 5 pi over 4. Let's try this second example here. Again, we're using our cast rule because sine is already isolated. So I know that this ratio is a positive ratio for sine. So sine is positive in A and S. A stands for all are positive. S stands for sine is positive. So I'm in these two quadrants over here. To find the acute angle, I'm going to do the sine inverse of root 3 over 2 in my calculator. And I will get it as pi over 3. So my first solution is just from here till here, which is just pi over 3. It's the same as the acute angle. My second solution is from here till this line. I'm going to go all the way till pi, and I'm going to subtract pi over 3. So pi minus pi over 3, which is just 2 pi over 3. So these are my two solutions for this question over here.